Hi everybody. Today we're going to make a leave-in hair conditioning spray, which I really love. Earlier, Warren has a spray bottle. Earlier I took some water and about a half a teaspoon of cloves and boiled it. And then I let it sit and get to room temperature so that way it would be safe for the boys. And we are going to add the other ingredients. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
I need your help. Okay.
Go.
Okay, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of rice. Okay, let's actually fill it up. Let me get it and then you can hold it, okay?
Go. Set. Go.
Okay.
Go.
We're going to put it in the jar. Okay. Okay, what about the ones we missed? Can we get those? Okay, we'll just push them over here for now. Okay, what's the next thing? Is it William's turn?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do some rosemary. Rosemary's really good for the hair. So we're gonna need about a teaspoon of rosemary.
What's
Okay, we're gonna add that to the water.
And this is a pepper. This
Good job.
pepper.
That was very well done.
This pepper.
Okay, let me have that and put it away. We'll put the lid back on. Oh, there's the lid. You gonna help me put the lid back on? Okay, put the lid back on. Okay, is there anything else that we need? Oh, yes. What's that? It's a cinnamon stick. You each are going to put in, actually it's one little cinnamon stick, and I kind of broke it in half lengthwise so that way they could each put in some. So let's go ahead and put the cinnamon stick in here and give it a little stir. Can you stir it around a little bit?
Yeah.
And drop that in there. Okay. William, can you put yours in? Okay, so just a refresh, that's water, cloves,
Okay.
rice, rosemary, and cinnamon sticks, okay? Can you drop that in there and put this lid on it? Okay, we're gonna let this sit for a few days, and then we're going to strain it out. After this sits for a few days, we're gonna strain it out and we're gonna put it in here, and then you just spray it all over your hair. You can do it while it's dry, or you can do it while it's wet after a shower, but it helps your hair to get thicker and grow better. It gives it lots of vitamins and minerals. And I have found that my hair stays cleaner longer. I don't have to wash it as often if I use the spray in my hair. So I really like it. And my hair is softer and a little bit fluffier. So that's really good. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody. Love you.
Bye-bye, everybody. See you soon.
Okie dokie.
Where's it go?
I forgot one thing. After you strain this and use it one time, you can put more water in here and let it sit. You can keep it in the refrigerator if you want to. You can let it sit again, and when you run out of your other spray bottle, you can use this again. So it's it lasts for a couple of times. All right, say bye-bye, everybody. Love you.
Bye. Bye-bye.